Come on. No, I wasn't talking. I'm sorry, man. I was not talking at all. My apologies. And I feel like some train ran me over overnight. Morning, Jay. Feel kind of weird, man. Is the audio good now? So please let me know. Got another 30 seconds to go on this thing. I feel kind of weird. I feel kind of tired, I have to say. My brain is kind of halfway. It's not really. Come on now. Say CCL only long. I'm not sure it's a short. About to open. Market about to open here. Come on now. I need you to hurry up. XY ramping up. Watching WPXY 450 to 635. Watching this area here. 411. Right out of the gates, not much volume though. About 217,000 shares traded. Yeah, I'm thinking that, man. I'm gonna try to be really careful with my trades today. I took a hit yesterday with AKER in the afternoon. I had to step out when I stopped the stream. I took a nap, kind of like half an hour nap, something like that. I came back and I saw it. It's like I saw the resistance up ahead at 6, and I tried to get an entry like at 589, 579. Like it got me feel like at 582, because I put a limit order, and this thing, pulled from me and slammed right back down. I got out like 30 cents after, but it was just like, it was not great. GBX. Okay, I see somebody writing AKER. Today I'm not, too in love with that stock. AKER. I'm watching CCL here. Look at that. Keeps on moving higher. And we have a daily on this one up ahead of 1455. 1455. We gotta move it up. Around that area, 1455. Watching WPX. I'm watching here. $355. I drank some pill last night. Some pills that I had last night to try to help out my brain kind of wake up. CUK Carnival, CUK, just like CCL moving up. CUK. Okay, WPX on watch though. WPX on watch. I'm watching the 404 level. $4. Taking my time with my entries here today, because I don't wanna get myself involved in any kind of weird type of stuff. Okay, some support at 4 at WPX. Decent support at WPX of $4. $4 WPX. NIO coming back. Jeez, man. How's everybody doing today? CCL. Go back to WPX. I got up early today though. I have to say I got up kind of early today just to make sure that my brain was going to be able to wake up. Okay, we're getting some support on the View app. First the 50, then the View app. I'm watching WPX here because it has a strong support at $4, right? So I'm looking at that $4 move, getting support still. Watching this 405, 455. Wonder who's trading AKER. No, man, I took a hit yesterday. Sinatra, I took a pretty decent hit yesterday. I went 3 for 3 yesterday. All of my trades were red. That's very unfortunate, but that's what happened. I didn't sleep well the day before, and I came to the market knowing that I was a little not there 100%. And the first trade was on OXY, which I gave out the entry, but I wasn't too comfortable with because, I didn't sleep well. I told you guys this is the way that could be played, could not be played. And I tried to get a second entry on a rejection of the 100 simple moving average. It didn't work out, so it got me out. And then I took another trade on WPX, which is another energy sector stock, and it didn't work out again. It was not huge amounts, but it was decent. And then in the afternoon, I wanted to. I saw this thing running AKER, and I was like, yeah, let me just take a stab here. And it didn't really work out. This thing slammed me right back down. But one thing that I was able to do was manage my trades. I was able to manage, which was a good thing. I was able to manage those trades and the risk, which was decent. I have an off topic here. I have Twitter feed, I have YouTube. Yeah, markets are closed on Friday. It's Good Friday. It's a holiday. It's a holiday. All right, so I haven't taken any trades today yet. Trying to see what else is happening because WPX has me kind of waiting, and it hasn't given any type of good entries or nothing like that. Let's just bring AKR. There's no sales, no shares to short CCL, so I'm not gonna bother that pullback. Although we can probably try to get an entry on the bounce. That's something that we can most definitely do. TD's not back yet. I wonder how Matt is doing with his trades now that TD is not really like with the data. It's not there as of right now. Well, I don't have to wonder really. I think he's not being able to send any executions. Market weird this morning. I don't know. I don't know. Acre or Acker. How do we pronounce this thing? No shares to short. I don't have any shares to short. WPX. I'm going back to WPX. Something that might end up working out for me. But it doesn't look too great though. Neo, no shares to short, obviously. OXY, most definitely, but I don't know if that's gonna work. Let me see something. Where are my stocks here? The ones that GBX, GBP, PE, PUMP. Yeah, kind of low volume. Actually, PE is not so much of a low volume type of play. Let me just put it here. Yeah, PE is not looking too great. PUMP. Pretty sure it's not. Yeah, it's not either. Pardon me, guys. Wow. So weird. So weird, I have to say. Whew. Ah, God. Kind of weird. CODX. Let's just take a look at CODX. I'm trying to find shares here. Stocks that look decent for short. Those guys, they don't have no available shares that I can short, and I don't have any locates. TD. Oh, TD came back. TD came back. APT's coming down. Let me look at APT real quick here, because WPX is not looking too great. Short sale restriction there. That's yeah. And I cannot keep my mouth shut here. This week I can't short this one today. APT looks like a decent short, but again, nothing available. Nothing available. All right, let me see what else is moving lower. Moving down, mRNA, Moderna. Oh wow, look at this thing. I got slamming this thing today, and I don't know, man. I don't feel it today, honestly. And I feel kind of weird. I don't know. I feel kind of tired. That's how I feel. Kind of tired. Decent pennant right here on the one. Another small pennant here. This thing consolidates kinda a bit, I would say, before it keeps on moving. Now you can see it's halted. Moderna is looking like a pretty decent short though. It's just a little bit of a high price name for me. Gilead is another nice short. Look, mRNA looking really decent. Gilead, another very decent one right there. For my account, they very nice high price. Python or Peloton, Python, another one that's good there. Peloton moving lower. Peloton. I'm looking for something that I can actually short, because those names are looking so great, man. It's just they kind of high price, and M&A low. I can't. APT has no shares. CBP, Campbell, can't do that. Gilead, still the same thing. Can't take the short. Holy cow! What in the world? WPX ranking up, and OXY as well doing the same thing. All right, so let's take a look at WPX here. WPX. All right, so 450 is WPX, 450 WPX, and OXY here. Jesus Christ, Father, I need your help. I feel so weird. Peloton looking so good. Can't believe it. I can't short that one there though. I can't short that one there. WPX, OXY, Peloton coming down, looking so good for a short. Can't short it though. Can't short it. My account is not gonna hold too much for the size that I want to put in, so I'd rather not. Just, you know, APT looks a lot better, but I got no shares available. OXY, as you can see here, ramping up, so I'm looking for either OXY or WPX. OXY looks a lot better. Let me see though, now that we're talking about that, Apache, no, GBX, where are my stocks here? PE and PUMP have a decent range. I'm looking for an entry inside of that pocket there. Nice there, buddy. Nice. All right, so WPX ramping up to the sorry, going higher to 450. Decent spread. Tight spread, not higher spread. 1 cent spread, 1 cent spread. This is decent on WPX. Volume started to come in now. Over 1 million shares traded today. Okay. Let's see. Okay, give me something here to work with. CLDX, GBX. GBX is pulling back in a decent way on the. That's a daily shot. I got out of the house on Saturday and I didn't have a jacket on, and the wind was kind of chilly, and for many days I didn't go out. I think it kind of got me somehow. I feel so kind of like my ears are kind of itchy. I don't know. I feel like somebody hit me with a bat. WPX going towards 450. Towards 450. On top of 450, we got a 635 level. Next leg up, 635, 755. OXY ramping up. OXY, WPX, OXY, WPX. So, on watch. Smells like somebody cooking home fries here. Who could that be? Nice, buddy. Good job, man. Good job. Good job. Good job on that. Good job on that. All right. So WPX keeps on ramping up. WPX ramping up there. WPX. 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 Man, my wife is doing home fries here. Now I'm getting hungry. You see, now I feel kind of better here. Kind of better here. Come on, suck it up, dude. Suck it up, because you're okay. You're okay, bro. You're okay. Come on, work it out. WPX 2. All right, letting it run. WPX, 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 WPX. Good job, buddy. All right, so we're hovering around 440. We got a 450 resistance on WPX. I'm watching the daily on WPX though. APA, ooh, looking decent too. Oof. APA, energy sector stocks, energy sectors moving. Energy sector on the move, guys. WPX, OXY, APA, JetBlue, which Tallow, Tallow, TALO. Let's see here. Tallow on the move too, TALO. Those are my names. You guys know that I love those guys. All right, so waiting for WPX, trading close to. Can see a wall of sellers right here, 444. Waiting for that 450. I'm not saying that's gonna pull back though. The whole sector's moving higher here, so I'm trying to be cautious here. WPX, APA, TALO, OXY, whole sector on the move. So let's see if we can do something decent here. All right, so topping candle on 5. 438. Topping candle on the 5. Gee, man, smells pretty good here. 439, 439, 438. Watching those areas there for 438. Stop. Short. 437. What? Oh, I see. I see. No. I'm sorry. Let's see here. Tapping all WPX coming up to $5, coming up to $5 WPX. All right, so let's see here. WPX APA. Okay. 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 So far it's being a little bit challenging with a couple of things here. Wow, looks like it had to ramp up in a very decent way. WPX2, APA, all of those names are doing pretty decent today. WPX is right there on very close to that 450. We get on top of the 450. We have a $6.35. Expecting to have a little bit of resistance around this area with the topping candle, especially on prior resistance on the daily though. I'm not, this is a trade that I'm not going to take right away on WPX. Can see a little bit of people selling around $4.53. I'm expecting a little pullback though around this area. Again, there's no resistance on WPX all the way to 635. So you can actually move there. Can actually move there. But I'm expecting a little pullback around this area here. OXY on the move still. APA. See if we're gonna retest 450. Best idea will be to allow for a retest of the 450 with this tapping candle on WPX. Allowing for that pullback. On WPX. Okay, that's a pullback there on that WPX. Let's see what is going to happen here. Same thing is happening with APA, WPX, TALO, OXY. All of these stocks are pulling back right now. All of the stocks are pulling back right now. Tapping 460. Tapping the 460 on WPX. Pretty close to the prior high. Consolidation on OXY. Still tapping candle on the 5-minute time frame on WPX. Man, I feel pretty bad for you. I know how you feel. Just breathe it out for a second. Breathe it out for a second. Tapping candle. WPX. PE is getting inside of the pocket. PE is getting inside of the pocket. WPX already had a retest off that 450. Okay, so on the 1 minute, you see here, for example, this consolidation here shows that if we can hold and come right back to the high and break out, we might find that little support in this flag here and just come right back up. We have a similar formation around WPX on the 1 minute time frame, and we have a inverted hanging man on the 5 minutes with another 30 seconds to close. It will be important to let that 5 minute close, because if it reverses, and it just did on OXY, so that means that WPX is probably going to follow through. APA is the same way. APA is the same way. Let's see here. Yeah. It's pretty messed up. No shares available with short APA. Can't share it. Can short APA. I don't know what's happening with me though. I don't know, but I feel so tired. Just bear with me for a second here. Come on now. Come on, come on. Okay, the flag in WPX is a flag same way as this OXY right here. I think we're gonna have some follow through downside. We see a little bit of support 439 right here, but it seems like this flag is just to probably come down, retest this VWAP area here. Okay, the WPX really did come down. What's this? Okay, let me see here. I have still coming down the BWAP. Low $4.44. It came down. Huge pullback on TALO. So I mean WPX, TALO2, APA, and OXY. Amazing. No shares to short. I didn't have on APA. OXY could have been a decent one. WPX, I sent an order out and it got rejected. It didn't get me fill under $4.44. So that order got rejected there for me. I didn't get the fill. Off topic, somebody wrote something. Yeah, more sure. Too volatile there. Okay, so my order got rejected under 444, which was the low of these candles right here. I put an order out, I sent it out, right? And it got rejected. So it didn't get me fill. It would have got me fill here, and that would have reversed me right back up. Probably take me out on the high. What was that high? 457. 458 probably would have taken me out here anyway. So, but then my order got rejected here anyway. On the way down, I didn't have no shares available on APA, OXY. I didn't even try. Let's see. Yeah, it was. I didn't have no issues there. I should have gone to OXY. I should have gone there. Huge pullback on the 15-minute time frame. Let's see if we can get a little bit of support and try to get a small bounce somewhere. 100 simple moving average. I'm not trying to risk it here. Trying to anticipate the bounce. Waiting for some signal to show a reversal on the trend before I even send this order. Again, my head is still playing games with me. I feel pretty tired. I gotta be honest with you guys. I don't feel normal. I honestly don't feel like in the normal way that I usually feel every day. Yesterday and today have been kind of weird day for me. Decent, probably dead cat bounce. See if people are trying to get short here on this bounce under the 50. I didn't want to try to catch the bounce though, because if you try to time the bottom, chances are it's gonna have like a dead cat bounce, and it's just guys covering their positions and you slamming right back down with the order on the other side. God. Yeah, man. I don't know. I don't have a fever or nothing like that. It just I feel tired. All right. Let's see WPX. Prior low on the 1 minute time frame here. It's 420, and there you have a little bit of support at 424. You have a hammer at the 5 minute time frame. Hammer at the 5 minute time frame. It's probably gonna come right back up. CODX coming down to lower day. OXY WPX printing hammers on the 5. See, I don't know if it will be a good idea for me to take any trades as of right now because my head is kind of weird. Kind of need a Red Bull, something like that. I feel kind of lower energy and tired. Pretty tired. Look at this. Pretty interesting. Now it's what I'm paying attention to it. Before I didn't. We got a low here 414, and we got a low of the 414 right here. If you notice a 15-minute time frame here on WPX showed that there was a double top of that support at the 15 minutes, exactly where we were sitting at here on the 1 minute time frame, 100 simple moving average, and he moved up from that area to, let's say, 440. Talking about 36 cents on the move here, which is pretty decent bounce. There. Actually, pretty decent bounce there. Didn't notice that it had a low here at $4.14. That could have been a pretty decent entry if. Because I was looking for the bounce, to be honest, because I didn't get my fill on the 444 here. So I was looking for the bounce, but now that bounce is already gone, and I'm really not trying to anticipate the moves here. I don't know if we're going to come back to 450. Even if we do, it has to come up this high, this candle 440, so I'm not going to go for 10 cents. So for me right now, this the patterns that we're printing right now are not something that I want to take to anticipate any type of moves. Market coming down a little bit. Guys, I really have to. I have to apologize because jeez, man. I really feel weird. Meaning, not the same way every day. And I did go out Saturday. but I know I didn't have a jacket on, so couldn't just been sneezing and stuff. Well, not that I have had done it, but I don't know. I feel sleepy. It's what I feel, and low energy, kind of tired. That's what I feel. Nothing more than that. Really. OXY. OXY. Alright, so let me take a look at here. OXY. I gotta take a look at OXY. OXY. Could have been a better trader here for me than okay, we have a prior low of 429, 1429, 1429. We have a 1420. What do we have 1420 for? 1420 was a prior high on the daily. And I want to take the trade, but my head is just not. God. Guys, I apologize. I really do. I shouldn't even be here with this type of nonsense. Topping candle OX WPX. Topping candle WPX. Okay, guys, so let's see here. Take a look at OXY. We gotta move the low 1429, 1429, 1429. 1429 prior low here, double top 1429, bouncing off of that area there. 1429. Pretty decent bounce. BWAP sitting at 1460. Coming down from there. Nice move on the OXY. Went right to the view app. 30-cent move on that bounce. 14.29. I didn't even know that my dog was in here. Spinning top formation on the 1 minute time frame here. Signifies reversal on the trend. Neutral type of candles. Reversal. Spinning top formation on the 1 minute time frame, coming right back down to 100 simple moving average. Right there was from the retest. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4 times the test of 14.29 to 14.65. We talk about 34 cents, 34-cent move on that little bounce off of that prior support. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, pretty much not 4, but kind of 4 times. 14.31, pretty close to that support trend line right here. 14.29. That showed that resistance support actually was around this area. This is was 14.20 prior resistance on the daily, broke, now becoming kind of support there. Right here you can see this trend line, and that was where the daily was sitting on this formations right here. Support at 14.29, coming right back up. 35-cent move. Those of you who got it, I don't know, I'm not sure. My head is just God. Oh God. APA, WPX, and OXY doing pretty much the same thing here. Topping candle, prior high, spinning top 1465. Same range. Is it gonna break? Is it gonna break? Look at that high right here. Same range though. Same range. Slamming right back down. We're trading inside of this range now. Extended price channel. Sideways consolidation as of right now on OXY. It's gonna try to come right back up on top of the view. I'll probably retest the highs here. It's gonna take a little bit longer to do that. It needs to consolidate, break this 1465 resistance, and keep that support here. We got a couple of times ago we tested 1, 2, and 3. So the 5 minutes looks like strong support around 1429. Guys, listen. I apologize, but I don't feel normal. So I'm gonna have to go back to bed. I'm gonna have to go back to bed and take a little nap and try to see if I can shake this off, because I don't feel normal and kind of freaking me out. So I'm gonna cut the stream for now here, because my brain is kind of off and I'm not kind of like not thinking straight. So I'm just gonna step away and I'm gonna like stop the stream, and I'm gonna come back a little later. I'm gonna take a little nap, and so on. We'll keep the conversation going on Discord. So final trades for me today. So you guys, I'll see you guys in a little while though. So take care though. I'll see you guys in a little while. Take care, man. Guys, see you.